And so the rules are as always. There's two of them. One, the timer starts the moment the box is open, sealed as usual. And two, I must follow all the steps in the instruction booklet, and then we're done. I'm assuming this is gonna take me about 16 hours or so. And we are doing it in one session. It's all gonna be right here, live recorded. So we're gonna do the build, and then we'll talk about this afterwards, what I thought about it, whether or not it was fun, everything else, some of the details that it has. But let's go ahead and get started. And there it is, everyone. After 13 hours, 40 minutes, and 31 seconds, which honestly is about 2.5 hours faster than I expected. Almost 3. I was thinking 16, close to 17, but 13:40, I think that's pretty good. And that is faster than TD Bricks. I want to see if I can beat his other times, but let's go ahead and talk about this set. This set is massive. I have widescreen on the phone and it barely still even fits. It's 5 feet tall, well, just under 5 feet. And again, it's 10,000 pieces. It is split into 3 boxes. Each box has its own book, and the book is kind of nice. And then there's information about the Eiffel Tower, and there's pages and like who designed it and this and that, another picture. And so those are some cool details in the first book, but I think the other 2 books don't have anything on the Eiffel Tower. No, they don't. So the first book has some details and some pictures. It's a really short one. And let's talk about the 3 main things that I look at in a set: value, build quality, and fun build, whatever. And then utility. That means like playability, how it looks, what you can do with it, whether or not this and that. So starting off, value. Value, it has 10,000 pieces, but if I'm being honest, so it does surpass that 10 piece per dollar. So technically it does have that value, but it's just so many tiny pieces that probably aren't even worth like a cent. And so like, yeah, it does pass that value metric by quite a bit, but at $700 after tax, I don't think it's worth it. Second of all, build quality, build fun, build overall. This is probably the worst build that I've ever done. This was not fun. The only fun that I had was the bottom of the base, not including the plants and stuff, but the bottom, because something cool here in the bottom, under all this tan color, there's red, white, and blue. But like, you know, like their flag, and so it's a cool detail. And they also have that in here, and they have some on the top, which I just think they're cool details that they'll include those colored bricks underneath. So I like that detail. But this was fun. The bottom, this little center section was fun, and then this little top thingy center thing was cool. Everything else, all these legs, if you see every single one of these, this X is made up of like 6 different pieces. You have to do that 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 times 6 times 3, 70 something. And then you have all these, which these are also 2 pieces, 2 pieces, 2 pieces, 3, 4, 6. These legs are insanely annoying. My hands are red. They have scratches on them. My hands hurt. It's so many little pieces. It's tedious. It's annoying. It's work. Builds are supposed to be fun, and obviously I'm turning the fun into more of a challenge with the speed build. So I understand that some people may say that, but at the same time, even if I was building this at whatever speed and I was taking my time with it, after the first leg, I was done with this. I did not want to do it anymore. Then I had 3 other legs to do, and then I had 4 more legs to do, and I had another 4 legs to do, and I had this top part with. It's not a good build. Which takes us to our third thing, utility and stuff. It looks really nice. I like the way it looks. I like the way it stands. It's an attention piece. It's a center, whatever they're called, a statement piece. But honestly, with the price and what it costs in terms of time to build, because I built it fast. People take over 24 hours. People take weeks. It probably takes somebody a month or something. I don't know. And then like, it's so big. What do you do with it? Unless you have a dedicated like a Lego room or something, and as long as you don't have kids or pets or something that's gonna jump on this, because this is also very flimsy. These parts, they kind of just sit. Like this doesn't, it just sits on there. It doesn't actually click because the connector part is upside down. And so any little thing, it's gonna fall apart. I like the way it looks. It's nice, it's cool. It's attention grabbing. It's got all these details. It looks very close to the real thing. Or if you want the Eiffel Tower, just get the smaller one. Get the icons. Don't get this one. I don't think this is worth it. I'm gonna give this set, I want to give it like a 5 out of 10 because just looking nice doesn't cover for the price and the build. And if you liked what you saw, if you liked the build and you liked the review, let me know what other things I should build and review. But that's it. It's been a long day. I've been up since 10. It is almost 1 in the morning. I will see you all on the next one. I'm gonna get some sleep. I'll see you guys later.